Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. Welcome to my live stream. Today, we actually going to talk about, is this really a bull market, and why I don't say, or why I'm not telling you guys this is a bull market. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you don't understand how to read price and understand how to take advantage of the market and make money now from the markets, hit that subscribe button, because over here I only focus on the charts and I only focus on how to make money now. All right, if you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a full-time trader. This is what I do full-time. I help you guys out, help you, and show you how you can actually do this too. So let's go to the charts and let's look at what do I see. All right. Shout out to everybody that's watching that replay. What you can do is you can go to settings, hit speed, and hit 1.5 or 2 to speed up the stream. Okay, you can speed up the stream that way. Actually speed up the video, make it a half an hour video into a 15-minute video. So let's get the party started. Let's see what's going on in CoinMarketCap, and then we are going to see what's going on in the chart. So overall, we are seeing green, guys. Overall, all right, green, which is good. Dominance has dropped a little bit, which is nothing too crazy, but it dropped. We went up, market cap, of course. So right now, today is green. So let's see if we can actually stay green. So the last time we talked, I told you guys that Bitcoin has to find support in order for this to work out, because all of the other coins are looking so weak that Bitcoin has to somehow find support and continue to go up so Bitcoin can bring those other coins back up. All right. So far, we actually finding some type of support at this trend line. Okay. Now we have to see if they want to continue to go back up. Right. Now, my personal opinion is I believe that most likely they probably will try to sell off once again. All right, I believe I believe this is maybe a quick scalp, a nice take profit real quick trade. I think they probably going to trap a lot of traders on this move right here, and most likely they're going to probably bring it back down. So we will see. We have to hold this support right here. All right, this is so far buyers is coming in right now. Now let's say we do decide to roll over. Okay, the next support would probably be around here. But if they decide to roll over, most likely they're going to try to go down probably even more. So like I said, we have to see if what these guys these guys want to do. But overall, buyers did come in and is buying at this support level. All right, let's go to the 4-hour. Let's see if I see anything. Well, really, we had this nice little spike today, but right now the sellers are still in control because this resistance right here area is strong. So Bitcoin has to make its move, especially to this area right here, and hopefully the sellers don't come in. But we can easily go up some more. Okay, maybe find resistance right here and go right back down. All right, so be careful. If I was you, well, of course I'm not giving anyone financial advice during this live stream. All right, this is entertainment only, but the way I would play this is I would be cautious, lock in profits real quick, because overall, I believe sellers are still in control right now in this area. Okay, of course we have to break out of this area first, but right now in this area, I believe the sellers are in control. All right. So that's what I'm looking at when it comes to Bitcoin. Let me see if I see you guys here. Let me pop you guys out. What's going on, guys? Good to see you guys here. Let me pop you out. So if you guys have any questions, type it in. And basically, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It's just what it is, all right? Especially if you want a guy that going on 12 years of experience just dealing with these markets. If you want that education, you want that knowledge, hit that subscribe button, all right? I specialize in reading the charts, making money now from the markets, and I take that knowledge and give it to you guys. So let's see if I see anything here. Any questions so far? Actually, let me look at some more charts real quick, and then I will get to you guys real quick. All right, so Litecoin, what's going on with that? All right, so we have any buyers coming in? All right, nice little pop from Litecoin. All right. So this is a key area for Litecoin because you want Litecoin broke this channel, so you don't want Litecoin to find resistance right here. Okay, you don't want this to become resistance. So we don't want this area to become resistance. So we have to keep an eye on Litecoin. Let's look at Ethereum. I think the same thing with Ethereum. Yes, so Ethereum broke this right here. You don't want this area to become resistance, because if it does, guess what? We're going to most likely roll right back down. You don't want to roll back down. You really want to hold support right here, especially this big drop right here. So we will see. We will keep an eye on these coins and see what's going on. I know Dash was looking kind of crazy. I don't know what's going on with this kind of crazy spike right here on Kraken. EOS still really no decent buys right here. XRP, of course. I don't know. I didn't look at that. Any buys here? It's trying to go up here. Nothing crazy. So overall, I don't see anything exciting when it comes to buying, but we do have a green day. So let's see if I see anything in the chat room. Let's go. What's going on, Golden Arm, Super Ray? Okay, 880. What's going on, guys? Good to see you guys here. All right. So let me see if I see any questions here. Is it a big bear market rally? 880. 880 said, is this a bear market rally? Well, right now, yes. Okay. Right now, all this is a bear market rally until we break the high. Can we break the high? Who knows? Right? Time will tell. Right now, that 10,000 mark is finding support, which is good, right? Which is good. We made a, I wouldn't say a double bottom, but we did hit it twice. We went below 10,000 and they buying that mark. They buying that area up. So that's good, right? Now, can we push this up all the way to this recent high right here? We have to see. Now, if we do push it up to this recent high, can we push it up all the way to the top? We have to see. Okay. But for right now, as we speak, I'm looking at this and saying, yes, this is a rally, a bear market rally, nothing else, nothing more. All right. I know you want me to tell you that this is a bull market because everyone else is telling you that. Your favorite YouTuber is telling you that. The guy with 100K subscribers is telling you that. But unfortunately, I can't tell you something like that because, I do this full time. I don't know about those guys. I can guarantee you those guys are not doing this full time. And I know the possibilities from, a rally like this. So we just got to take it day by day. So far, Bitcoin is finding some type of support at that trend line, which is good for for the holders temporarily, right? So we have to see if the buyers want to come back in. So let's go back to see if I see any more questions here. Shout out to everybody that's here though. I see Swazza, I see Michael J.A. What's going on? It's a BS market, J.A. Alcon said I already took my profits on that pullback. Okay, shout out to you. Who flung what's going on? I took the profits and I put a small buy order in case it goes up. Okay, that's what's up, man. How is it possible to speed up the live stream 1.5? Did I miss something here? No, well, I basically said the live stream by mistake. I meant to say you can speed up the replay. All right. So no, you can't speed up the one live stream. You can speed up the replay. Yeah, I was only talking to the guys that's watching that replay. Joe Doe said you bought more, so I'm guessing that you are a long-term holder. Joe Doe. I'm guessing you are a long-term holder. Just a guess. But let's look at the weekly. What do we see? It was red. Now the market went back up, so it was green. So that's sort of kind of good. The reason why it's sort of kind of good is because it's still not like a bullish bar right now, but you know, at least you see some type of green, right? But you have to hope that next week is not a all-out red week. Anybody in this chat think that this is a bull market? Type it in and explain why you believe that this is a bull market. All right, just type it in. Just type it in and explain why you think this is a bull market. Don't tell me because my favorite YouTuber that has 100K subscribers, he told me so. That's why it's a bull market. All right, explain to me why. So let me see here. MK, what's going on, bro? Let me read these comments. YouTuber with 100K keeps posting BTC will hit $1 million per coin. Oh man, $1 million per coin, guys. Do you guys think that too? You think Bitcoin will hit $1 million? All right, so let me see. Alcon says not looking good, Ben. It looks like it's gonna keep dropping. It's a possibility. You think Tether is rigging the market bots? I go, I don't know if it's Tether, but somebody's probably doing something. Okay, so Muhammad said we are in a bull market, but the price has to come back. All right, so listen, Muhammad, can you explain to us why we are in a bull market? All right, Muhammad. So you're the first person that said we're in the bull market. That's good. So can you explain to us why? Okay, can you explain to us why we are in a bull market, Muhammad, please? Type it in. All right. He said it's not a bear market rally. We are in a bull market, but price has to come down in weekly wave to price 6K cannot break 13 high. Men lie, women lie, YouTubers lie. Charts. Facts, homie. Facts. XRP long-term bullish trend line. Right now XRP is looking like it wants to break the low. Okay, so long term, anything right now doesn't look good for XRP. It looks like it want. I mean, it's. I mean, just think about it, guys. Why XRP is always coming back to the low? Like, just think about that for a second, guys. Look how many times it came to the low. If that's bullish, why is always coming back to these lows right here? All right. All right. So most likely, it looks like it's trying to break that low. Probably go back to 23 cents. You know. So Muhammad, are you still here, Muhammad? I'm trying to have a decent conversation with you guys and see how you guys are thinking. Muhammad said this is a bull market. I'm trying to figure out why he said this is a bull market. Right? There's nothing to show that this is a bull market. What about ETH? Right now, ETH, we talked about that. Okay, ETH is actually is bouncing up, but they can't find resistance. If we find resistance right here, right? Like if it finds resistance right here, then that means that, you know, we're probably gonna fall back down. So you don't want it to find resistance, you know, around there. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. Did I give you guys a round of applause? I'm not too sure yet. Let me give you guys a round of applause. And Muhammad, I'm still waiting for you. I'm guessing you left. Guessing you left. All right. I'm guessing Muhammad left. If anybody that's in this live stream don't have the course yet, go pick it up. Okay. Especially during the live stream, because I give you guys that live stream discount. So here's the live stream discount. Let me give it to you guys right now. Go get this course because it will show you how to become a professional, right? It will show you how I'm able to do this full time. It doesn't matter if you work a 9 to 5, you can still make money from the markets and build up your cash flow. So here's that live stream discount. I specialize in making money now in the markets, and once you get that course, you will see the strategies that I use to make money now in the markets, right? So here's that link. I just gave you a live stream discount. It's only for live streams, all right? That's only during the live stream. Once you get off the live stream, it goes back to the regular price. Let's go back to Muhammad. Muhammad said, guys, right? Muhammad says, and thanks a lot for anybody that's just joining us. Thanks a lot for joining us. I appreciate it. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. That's the best thing to do. Now, Muhammad said, and let me just catch anybody up that just, you know, just joining in. If you're just joining in, let me catch you up to speed. Basically, the question was, if you think that this is a bull market, explain your reason. Okay, just don't say this is a bull market and that's it. All right, explain, you know, why you feel that this is a bull market. Okay, so let's go to Muhammad, because Muhammad said this is a bull market. So let's see what his let's look at his answer. So he said 5 ways up in a weekly, okay, in weekly completed 3 waves down ABC. All right, okay, so Muhammad, so you said that 5 ways up on a weekly, all right, and you completed ABC. Okay, so Muhammad, okay, let me ask you this question, Muhammad. Can Bitcoin do something like this? All right, we went up, right? Can Bitcoin do something like this, Muhammad? So answer that question. While you answer that question, all right, I'm gonna look at more questions. Okay, so I'm trying to help you guys out. Can Bitcoin do something like this, Muhammad? All right, and go down and create a new low. All right. While I'm waiting for his answers, all right. Oh well, he said yes. It can make a new low. All right. So we're getting somewhere here. All right. So if you just join us, hit that subscribe button. We are actually having a good conversation, and so right now, Mohammed said that we are in a bull market. So I asked him, can Bitcoin basically correct and continue to go down? He said yes, right? So that's why me personally, I say we are not in a bull market. Okay, why? Because if you look at this drop right here, right, this pullback right here could simply be a continuation to go right back down, right? That's all it can be. In my world, all right, in my world, you want, especially if you want to be a full-time bull or real bullish, okay, you want price to make new highs. In my world, when you don't make new highs, okay, that simply means that it's a strong possibility we can not make new highs and continue to go down. So in order for this to be a legit bull market, the bulls have to take over, right? So from this drop right here, who's still in control from this drop right here, Muhammad? What guy is in control? Is it the bulls or the bears from this drop? Okay. If you measure this drop right here and you measure this up move, who's in control? All right, so let's go to some more questions while we get some answers from that. Let's see here. Let me see here. For those who bought at the 3,000 range and bought multiple bullish, okay. Yeah, that's a possibility. Well, that's a possibility, and also the people that bought at the top, they are bullish too because they wanted it to be bullish because they have to get back the money that get the money that they lost. So they want this to be bullish. So of course they are bullish too. Let's go back to some more questions here. What's going on, Green Thumbs? Thumbs. What's going on? Michael said for 1,005 minutes, this junk is rigged. Still no new users and installing the Coinbase. Shout out to you, Michael. Okay, Michael's starting to see the light. Okay. So let's see if I see anything from Muhammad. So Muhammad said the bears, and you're correct. All right. So basically, what I'm trying to do, guys, is I'm trying to help you guys understand how I look at the market because I do this full time. So that's all I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to, talk down or bash the Moon Boys. I mean, it is fun sometimes to laugh at Moon Boys, but I still want to educate those guys to let them understand, okay, why they are in the position they are, why they are in the position that they are in right now is because most of them don't know how to read the market. All right. And I'm trying to explain to you why I feel it's not a bull market yet, and not get too excited because anything could happen. All right. You have to take it day by day. Let's look to see if Bitcoin can actually find support somewhere. Right now it's finding temporary support, which is not, good enough. But you have to hope that, Bitcoin will find some type of support right here. I mean, we are at that trend line. So the way I would play it personally, I would play this for a quick move, take my profits and get out. I still think the sellers are, we still got heavy resistance up top. So we'll see. Okay, we will see. But for the most part, this is really not a bull market yet. All right. Can this turn into a bull market? Yes, it could turn into a bull market. But right now, as we speak, it's not a bull market. Okay, I know that your favorite YouTuber been telling you it's a bull market, right? Which is fine. I mean, most of the guys are very uneducated when it comes to the financial world. So, I get that. All right. So I get why those guys will tell you that. But I'm telling you, as a guy that's basically going on 12 years experience and I'm doing this full time, I'm telling you that this is not a bull market yet. All right. That doesn't mean that it can't turn into a bull market. And that doesn't mean that you can't make money now. I specialize in making money now. So you can make money regardless if it's in a bull market or not. All right. This is what I'm trying to help you guys understand and make you realize that there's another game out here. Right. Most of your YouTubers, like for example, I was looking at a YouTuber today, and he wanted you to look at this video, right? This video was basically talking about Facebook Libra coin, right? And look at the time on this video, guys. This is 6 hours talking about some stupid Libra coin, right? Guys, this is why most people are not successful when it comes to the markets, right? You're spending 6 hours on something that's not going to help you financially, right? How or how, this video, watching a 6 hour video like this is actually going to put money in your pocket. It's not. So you guys really have to use your time wisely, start studying the market, start figuring out how the whales are making money. Start figuring out how these guys are making money now. Okay, so you can put more money on your table, in your pocket, in your bank account. All right. You're worrying about stuff that doesn't matter. It's not going to put money in your pocket. This is why I shake my head when I hear most of these guys talking about, oh man, just give me the good news. Good news is not putting money in your pocket, bro. Learning and understanding how things work, that's going to put money in your pocket, right? Most people are too lazy. They want to take their $250 and trying to turn that $250 and think they are going to become a millionaire. Okay, guys, those days are over. Now let me ask you this question, guys. All right, guys, I want you to be honest, guys. All right, let's go to Ethereum. Let me back this out, guys. Let me back this out. All right, please, guys. Let's be honest with you. Let's be honest here. Okay, let's back this out. Does this look like a bull market, guys? All right. Does this look like a bull market right here? This whole picture right here. All right. Does this look a bit bear market? All right. Let me show you another coin just in case. All right. Let's look at XRP, guys. Let's back that out. All right. Let's look at XRP. Sharp up move right here. Sharp down move. Right. So we're right here. Does this look like a bull market, guys? All right. You want to look at another coin? Okay. Let's look at another coin. Let's look at Dash. All right. Let's zoom out. Does this look like a bull market, guys? So for anybody that's watching my live stream and you get caught up with the hype, which is I understand. I understand why you get caught up with the hype, because you knew, like most of the guys that came to the crypto world, you never had experience when it comes to the markets. So automatically, of course, you're going to get scammed into a lot of things, right? That's why a lot of people lost their money in BitConnect. Okay, a guy like me that understands the financial market, I look at BitConnect and automatically I can tell that was a scam. I mean, but if you don't have financial education, you can't tell. So right now we are not in the bull market. We have to wait, okay, to see if Bitcoin wants to become or wants to go higher and create new highs, so you can get that bull market that you want. But right now we are not in the bull market, guys. Right? But that doesn't mean that you can't make money from the markets. You could still make money from the markets right now as we speak. Okay? You take advantage of these short-term swings that's in the market, and you learn how to do that. It's not about hodling. It's not all about hodling, guys. It's about making money so you can put it in your pocket, start paying yourself, start living the life that you deserve, and that's it, right? So let's go back to some more questions, and then we can wrap this up real quick because I have to get some lunch. I didn't eat all day. I didn't eat all day, so this would be my first meal for the day. So let's see if I see some questions here. All right. So let's go here. I'll read these questions right here, guys. Ocom Al said, I lost 4K before I ran into Ben. I start realizing that the money is made whether it goes up, down, or sideways. I made my money back. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm getting goosebumps right now. I'm getting goosebumps. Let me give him a round of applause, because that's what I love to hear. Okay? That's what I love to hear. Let me give you that bomb. Guys, a guy that was hodling, remember, he was a hodler. He lost 4K. He said he found my channel. He heard that you can make money whether the market goes up, down, sideways. He got my course, he found the strategies, and now he made all his money back. I love that. I love stories like that. Okay? I used to read all the white papers, and I got involved in the projects. I was emotional investor in the project. Bro, I understand your pain, bro. I understand your pain, man. I used to do the same thing, bro. I used to do the same with the stocks, right? Read the news and got invested. And you start to realize, man, these stocks and these coins don't care about you, man. They don't care about you. Right? The way that most of these crypto investors care about the coins, right? These guys that created these coins, they don't care nothing about you, man. All right? And I know it could be frustrating, hodling, and still be down a lot, but it's time to wake up, man. It's time to wake up. You can either suffer or you can wake up. It's up to you. let's go back to some more questions here before I wrap this up. Michael said, I ain't got time for hodling. The charts look like a roller coaster. Come on, guys. He's speaking the truth. I mean, sheesh. Don't these coins look like a roller coaster, guys? Like, man, let's back up again. I mean, sheesh. You go up, you go down, right? It's a freaking roller coaster. Nothing is happening. And this is a bull market right here. Where's the bull market? Show me. I'm still waiting. So basically what I'm trying to tell you guys, in the meantime, while you're waiting for that magical bull market, guys, there's money right here, right in front of your face. You can make it. All right, let's go back to these questions here. Okay. He said, I don't care about any of these projects. I don't care. I don't even care if it's a scam because I'm in and out. Oh my goodness. Let me give you that bomb, bruv. That's what I'm talking about, man. Did you hear what altcoin Al said, guys? You need to take notes right now. Okay. You need to take notes. He said he doesn't care if it's a scam or not because he's in and out. Let me give him that bomb once again. Right? The reason why you lost all your money from BitConnect is because you fell in love with it. The reason why you're down 90% with XRP and a lot of these other coins is because you fell in love with it. Okay? What we are trying to introduce to you, right? We're trying to introduce another world that most of you guys are not familiar with, right? It's called making money now, not wait and hope. Doesn't matter if XRP is a scam. Doesn't matter if Litecoin's a scam, Bitcoin's a scam. You can still make money, okay? But the key is you can't fall in love because you have to take profits. If you fall in love, you will never take profits. Never take profits. Let's go back to the chat. Let's see what I see here, guys. All right, let's go. Neo had a nice bounce. A lot of these coins had a nice bounce. We have to see if Bitcoin finds support and go higher. That's what the market needs. It needs Bitcoin to continue to go up, break these highs, and we will see, if it wants to make new highs. But for right now, it's kind of shaky. And this whole up move anyway, it's kind of suspect anyway, all right? What do you think is the right time to buy alts? Do we buy it right now or do we wait for Bitcoin dominance to hit 80% then buy, right? Good question, okay? When do you think it's a good time to buy alts? Let me ask you a question, Muhammad. Are you talking about a long-term play? Are you talking about a long-term play, Muhammad? All right. Type in your answer. What's going on, Edward Park? Machine said everything is a scam, bro. Yeah, everything is a scam. The school system, You know, TV, the news. Let me see here. Long term. Okay, so long term, what do I think about buying the right time to buy the alts? Um, the right time to buy alts is actually when it starts to honestly, this is not a bad time to get in alts. All right. The way I would play it is a little bit, different than most guys. Um, I would just basically see if this thing will continue. All right. Right now, we had a nice little up move. Okay, back in March, April, and you have to see if this move could continue. Now, a good time to buy alts long term. Well, you have to see if we can actually start turning bullish again, and maybe then you can look to probably get in alts, right? My thing is, I want to see, right, this pullback that we had, this crazy pullback. I want to see if this is some type of trend change or not. Okay, because if it's a trend change, that means that most likely we will continue to go down. If it's not a trend change, then most likely you'll probably start to have reasons to get in these altcoins. So it always boils down to learning how to read a chart. All right, you have to learn how to read a chart. Right now, okay, we have to wait to see if this whole move, when we sold off like this, if this is a legit sell where they want to continue to go down, then you don't want, I don't care what no one says. I know someone, so a lot of guys talking about if Bitcoin goes back to 4K, they going all in. Guys, you do not want to go all in if Bitcoin goes to 4K, okay? This was the move right here. Okay, if Bitcoin can't hold this move right here, why do you want to buy at 4K? All right, that means that if it's at 4K, that means that it could actually go lower. So we have to see if this is a legit move and wants to continue to go up. Then you can look maybe for buying opportunities because the altcoins, in my opinion, they're still low. They not, they didn't go up that high. So you still have time when it comes to the alts. You still have time, right? But Bitcoin right now is having trouble, so just got to keep an eye on that. Let's go back to some more questions here. Matthew says BTC doesn't play by those rules. Bears going to get smoked. Okay. You're saying that like that's something that is going to hurt me or anybody that knows how to read the chart. So if Bitcoin decides to rip up, right, and go to 50K, that's not going to hurt me, right? What's going to hurt you is if Bitcoin decides to drop and go to 2K, all right? Because you said that Bitcoin doesn't play by those rules. So that simply means that you are a full-time bull, okay? And you want the market to go up, which is fine. I mean, there's nothing wrong with wanting the market to go up. But by having that type of mentality, you will always get hurt when things doesn't work work out like that and decides to go right back down. So I'm not going to feel it at all. Okay, it's the Moon Boys is going to feel it. Ben, do you see Litecoin as a leading indicator for BTC? No, I don't see Litecoin as a leading indicator. I see the altcoins as a leading indicator, right? Litecoin itself is not the leading indicator. No, it's not the leading. It's the altcoins in general, all right? And I talked about this, like, you can go back last year, okay? I know you probably saw it from a famous YouTuber that's talking about it right now. Bro, you can go back last year, 2018. I've been talking about this, for the longest. So, no, it's not just Litecoin. It's the altcoins in general. They will lead especially when it comes to a bear market. Not really a bull market, but a bear market. It will be a leading indicator for for BTC. All right, let's go to some more questions. Yeah, guys, if anybody don't know how to read the charts and don't know how to make money from the market right now, just check out my course. All right, right now you have access to the live stream discount. Okay, because the regular price is $249, live stream discount is $199. So when I get off the live, you have to get the regular price, right? So right now you can get it for $199. That's if you want to learn how to make money now. I mean, some of you guys are so lazy, you don't want to do it. So, I don't force nobody to get it. But shout out to all my students that's making money. Let me go back to some more questions. The price is being suppressed by the wells. So extreme bullish highs 2017 won't happen. Hit like that again for a while in his game. Yeah, you're right. And so the game is about swing trading, right? That's what it's about right now. Okay. It's a possibility we might not see 20K for a while. So in order to make money, you have to learn how to swing trade. That's why you see your favorite YouTuber, right? The YouTuber that in 2017 he never talked about the charts. Remember, okay? Just look at it. Go back to 2017 and go look at the guys that's showing you the charts now. Check in 2017 if they were showing you the charts, right? In 2017, nobody was showing you the charts, only a few. Now, since 2018, since the good news wasn't working no more, they had to go to the charts, right? So, learn how to read the charts, okay? Because you will see that it's the best thing out here for you. I'm read these questions here. Made some money this morning in BTC 95. I got my stop loss. Okay, shout out to you, bro. People always say they will go all in. Yes, you're right. People say they always will go all in until that number comes and they back out. They're not gonna go all in. Trust me. They're not that stupid. Did anyone here watch the crypto hearing? No, nobody cares about that. I don't have 6 hours to waste like that. And you said no. If price goes to 2K, I will buy. Okay, so if price goes to 2K and you'll buy again, okay, what is that telling you, Matthew? Guys, let's be honest, guys. If price goes to 2K and you buying in that 2K, what does that tell you? number one, that tells you you're gonna be down so much that you will have to probably continue to work for the next 30 something odd years. Okay. Two, you better hope that 2K is the floor, because if it continues to go down, you're screwed, right? And Matthew said it won't go to 2K. Okay, Matthew, I know for a fact that you probably are a moon boy that looks at the market and wants it to go up and don't care about nothing else. Saying that Bitcoin won't go to 2K, all right, it's crazy. And he said, I'm out. So this is exactly he's proving my point, guys. Shout out to Matthew. He's proving my point right here. Matthew can't handle the real truth, the reality. Right? He's proving my point. Guys, in 2018, when I was saying, guys, I'm looking to short. Every time it rallies up, I'm looking to short. Go short. You know how many people got pissed off? And meanwhile, guys, listen to what I'm saying, guys. I was making money, short in the market, and people getting pissed off. Why would you get pissed off? And I'm showing you, hey, bro, there's money out here right now, but you still get pissed off. Don't you see, or don't you feel that that's a problem? You don't think that's a problem? That I'm showing you the market could go down, and when it goes down, you can make money, but you get pissed off because it's not going your way, okay? Because you're trying to force the market to do what you want instead of the other way around. You don't see that that's a problem, guys? Like, I don't get that. This is why I have a hard time coming on, live to speak to some crypto investors to try to change their, life. Because most crypto investors are brainwashed. You tell them, hey, bro, I can show you how to make money now. Okay. They say, no, I want to hodl. I don't care if it continues to go lower. I'm just going to continue to buy dips, even though my portfolio is going to be down 90%. I don't care, bro. I want to hodl. You don't see that that's a problem? I don't get it. So Matthew, my advice to you, okay, or I just like to say, okay, stop being too sensitive, right? Because if you're so sensitive, you're not going to make money in this market, right? This market will eat you alive if you're sensitive. Okay, if we can't even have a great actually, shout out to Muhammad. Okay, Muhammad, in the beginning of this stream, okay, me and Muhammad had a nice conversation. Okay, he said that this is a bull market. I said that I don't believe this is a bull market. Okay, but he didn't lash out and say, "Oh man, this is ridiculous. I'm out." We was having a great conversation. I didn't put him down. He didn't put me down. Right? This is how it's supposed to be. But you can't run from something and call something BS just because that person is not saying the things that you want to hear. All right? But anyway, shout out to everybody that's here. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. I'm about to get out of here. I was supposed to get out of here a couple of minutes ago, but if you guys have any more questions, last questions, type it in. If not, we can continue this maybe another day. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. Right now, we're waiting for Bitcoin to find support somehow or somewhere. Right now, the buyers came in at that trend line, so that's a good sign, right? Now we have to hope that Bitcoin holds this trend line. Okay. Me personally, I think sellers will probably try to come in once again, just like they came in right here when the market looked like it was turning, looked like it was going to turn bullish. They came in. I think they're probably going to do something like that again. Okay, but if I was in this move, I would just take quick profits and be on the sidelines and see what's really going on. But for the most part, buyers did come at this in this area, so we have to wait and see and take this day by day, right? But guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate everybody that's here. I'm about to get my lunch. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day. Continue to have a great day. Shout out to all my students that's making money now. Okay, and it's not all about hodling. Shout out to all those guys. I appreciate you guys that knows how to make money multiple ways. But in general, guys, make sure that you continue to learn, practice, and grow as a investor, trader, and individual, guys. All right. So talk to you guys later. Please have a great day. Go check the course out, and have a great day, guys.